Alright, now that I've moved back here, and you can see the petcock over there, and the oil lines coming in. That silver one is the feed, coming from the oil cooler up front. The return starts with the little yellow one, the brass one, and it comes out. I ended up tucking it behind my air dryer. And you can see it right there. It goes over the top of the frame rail. And then, if I can get my camera just right, you should be able to, if I can find it. Right up there. A little yellow ring around the hose. That goes right into a plug right in the back side of the crankcase, just above and to the left of the flywheel. It's set up, it runs, and you know it runs because when you hold it after you're all done, it'll start to get hot, just like everything else. No more oil changes.